Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on ChatGPT step by step. Changing the language can help you use ChatGPT in your preferred language and make the experience easier to understand. So, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT on your computer. Go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or account name. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, look for the General section. Find the Language option. Click on the Language menu and choose the language you want to use. After selecting your preferred language, ChatGPT will automatically update the interface. You can now use ChatGPT menus, buttons, and settings in your selected language. You can also change the language by simply asking ChatGPT to respond in another language. For example, you can type, "Please respond in French," or "Answer me in Spanish." ChatGPT will follow your language preference during the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the language on ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ChatGPT tips, AI tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.